So in order to get to at least a preliminary depth to separate the axe head, in addition to the facial features and the face in behind the hood itself, I'm going to use a rotary tool with a cutting bit on the edge. So here we go. So you'll note that in the area around the axe, as long as I don't cut into what the axe needs for wood, I can pretty much cut anywhere around it because all of this depth here will go quite low. Additionally, the hood, any part of the Viking King will go very low. But setting these lines initially helped me really understand the depth that I need to go to later. Got to be careful here because this is the face and this is the back of the hood, so it cuts in. But for the most part, that's not quite yet. So I'll continue with the axe head and the handle, and then we'll see what's up from there. So now it's been cut for the most part in the preliminary cuts. You'll notice that for the most part, I don't ever really cut directly on the line unless it's really close to where it needs to be already. But I try to leave at least a little bit of play around all the areas where I know I'm going to be able to get finer detail later. So at this point, I'm just going to go back and make these all super deeper. You have to be careful because these bits, any bits that come with the Dremel or rotary tools, can snap, especially out at this length. So it'll be a while doing this. We'll come back to it in a minute.